In this video, we're going to do a pronunciation challenge where I try to improve someone's pronunciation in just 6 minutes. And in today's challenge, I'm going to see if I can improve the pronunciation of two letters, the letter L and the letter R. I'm very lucky today to be joined by a student who has volunteered to be the guinea pig and to see if her pronunciation can be improved in just 6 minutes. 5 minutes. So first of all, I'd like you to try to say the pairs of words on the screen. You can see they're nearly the same words, but the first words begin with the L sound and the second words begin with the R sound. For the first time, try to do it without any help from me at all. Have a go.
Wrong. Wrong. Right. Right. Red. Red. Raw. Raw.
So thank you very much for trying, and I thought that was okay. Very normal pronunciation for many Thai or Asian students, but the question is, can I help to make her pronunciation better in just 6 minutes? 4 minutes. So let's look at the two letters one by one. First of all, let's look at the sound made by the letter L. The letter L makes the sound of L, L, L. And you can probably see that the L sound is made by the movement of the tongue. In fact, the tip of the tongue moves to just behind the top teeth. It touches the top teeth. It's that movement of the tongue that makes the L sound. L, L, L. Now let's turn to the sound made by the letter R. And the letter R makes the sound of R, R, R. Maybe you can see this time that the sound is not made by the movement of the tongue. I have two things to tell you about the R sound. The first thing to remember is don't move your tongue when you make the R sound. Actually, the tongue moves back a little bit and then it stays absolutely still. So if we don't move the tongue, how can we make the sound properly? The answer is we need to make a small circle shape with our lips. We sometimes call it the kissing shape. And it's that shape of the lips with the tongue staying still that helps us to make the sound of R, R, R. Sounds a little bit like a dog in the soy sometimes, rah, rah, but it's actually the correct pronunciation. And now we have some ideas for the two sounds. Remember, L is made by the movement of the tongue, the tip of the tongue hits the back of our top teeth, and the R sound, we don't move our tongue, we just make the kissing shape with our lips, and we can successfully make the sound of R, R. So now everybody, the moment of truth.
Time's up!
Can my student improve her pronunciation by using those tips that I explained? Let's find out.
Long. Wrong.
Good. How about number 2?
Light. Right.
Good. Number 3?
Less. race
Okay, and number 4?
lane rain
Good. Number 5?
rice rice
Well, I certainly heard a big difference in her pronunciation. Much better, really well done. So how about you try some of these words to see if you can improve your own pronunciation at home. Tell me how you get on if you are successful in the comments section below. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you enjoyed this video, then I'll be doing some more pronunciation challenges with other difficult sounds very shortly. Look out for the links on my videos. But for today, everyone, thank you very much for listening. See you again very soon. Bye bye. If you enjoyed that lesson, why not watch another one? Or better still, if you're a company in Bangkok, book a free trial lesson using the email on the screen now.